This 2026 Forest River R-Pod 190 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Newfield, New Jersey, 08344 and is offered for sale by Crossroads Trailer Sales, Inc. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 20 feet 4 inches in length and features sleeps 4, awning, refrigerator, TV antenna, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, air conditioning, water heater, stovetop burner, LP detector, slide-out, and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Forest River R-Pod 190 is 3,049 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.